Let's stay with this particular story now and speak to Samkele Maseko, SABC News Reporter. Samkele, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. I mean, listening to the Secretary General of the ANC, he talks about the guidelines, the rigorous, processes that are likely to unfold right now. But one question remains then: how is the party likely to deal with those who've been charged in court and those who are facing allegations who have not yet been formally charged?
Well, Bongiwe, it's a bit difficult to hear your question there, as there is someone speaking over your voice there at the gallery. But in essence, the ANC is saying that those whom are formally charged will not even enter the discussion table. Those who are currently going through the courts of law on serious charges, their names will not even be deliberated upon. But those whom have got allegations hanging over their heads, their cases will be deliberated inside in this particular meeting that is currently taking place now. The likes of Dr. Zwelini Mkhize, the likes of Zizi Igotwa, whom are not yet formally charged but have allegations hanging over them. You've also seen the likes of the Minister of Finance, Enoch Godongwana, who's had allegations hanging over his head until he took Mr. Ntunzi Mtwaba to court. That particular issue saying that those who've got allegations, their case will be ventilated and see the seriousness of the allegations that they are currently facing, and then the ANC officials and the extended special national NEC of the ANC will then make a determination on those particular names. Earlier on, the Alliance Secretariat did have a meeting to thrash out those names to try and find consensus and common unity amongst those whom will be sent as hopeful public representatives of the governing party.
And Samkele, you were in conversation with the SACP earlier on today, and these have been, part of the members of the alliance who have been very, very vocal about some of those who are facing allegations. And I wonder, what do they make of this particular process right now, and what are their hopes coming out of this meeting?
Well, Bongiwe, it's very difficult to hear you due to some chatter there. You seem to be breaking, but all I can say to you is that the SACP is saying that those whom are tainted, those whom are going through litigation at this point in time, the likes of your Zandile Kumetes, the likes of your Bongani Thomas Bongos, whom have been formally charged, and other leaders within various provinces, those will not feature at all in the list. But those whom have got allegations, they can have some sort of discussion around those particular individuals. An individual like Malusi Kigaba, for example, who's not yet been formally charged for any crimes related to state capture, corruption that may have taken place during his tenure in the Department of Public Enterprises, when the Guptas were allegedly feasting at state-owned enterprises, particularly Eskom and Transnet. Those are some of the individuals that their cases will be deliberated upon. In fact, Malusi Kigaba was called upon the ANC's Integrity Commission and also the Electoral Commission to go through that particular interview process and to present his case around the economic aspect of the country. So it tells you that the ANC is dealing with these issues on a two-pronged approach. Those whom are formally charged, their issue is put aside. You are not even discussed. You are out of the way. You will not feature as a public representative. But those whom have got allegations, those 97 whom are alleged to be involved in state capture, serious and some allegations over their heads, their issues will be ventilated. They will be able to present their case as they did to the Integrity Commission and also to the Electoral Commission of the party, and then the officials of the ANC at the end of the day will then sit, make a determination, see what checks and balances to put in, which names to take in, which names to take out, in order to also balance the politics within the governing party.
All right, Samkele, thank you so much for that update there. It will also be interesting to see what the party and those who have been implicated, who have said that they're taking this process on review, have to say now and where those processes are. That is our reporter there, Samkele Maseko, who is coming to us live from the ANC NEC meeting. So we'll continue to bring you updates in this particular regard.